This episode, we're doing fried chicken, as you can see, and we're going to see who does it best. So keep watching.
First of all, it needs to be golden brown. It cannot be burnt.
Of course, the flavor that is not too dry, that is also not undercooked.
It needs to be crispy on the outside, be moist on the inside, so that's a textural component.
The breading, that is nice and crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside.
And of course, it's got to taste flavorful.
Here's my amazing fried chicken recipe. So you're going to add your seasoning blend onto your chicken and let it sit for 30 minutes. Now we're going to use 2 tablespoons of seasoning paste, and we're going to whisk in about a cup of buttermilk. Now for light crispy breading, we're going to use half a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, and half a cup of buttermilk waffle mix. Now you're going to mix in the rest of your seasoning blend, which includes garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, paprika, and salt. Now you're going to pour your seasoned buttermilk onto your chicken and let it sit for 1 hour, and then thoroughly coat your chicken. It should look like this. Now we're going to fry it up at 350 until your chicken floats. Once your chicken comes out, you're going to immediately dust your chicken with cayenne pepper and some sugar. Now it's time to taste some amazing chicken.
Ooh, this looks good. Sheesh. This is good. This is really good. Taste is good. It has a little bit of sweetness to it, so that's nice. Texture is great.
I really love the hint of sweetness in mine. I also like that the breading tastes really light, and I personally think my chicken has a bit more of the flavor in there.
Presentation is also great. I'm impressed. I didn't see this coming. So out of 5, I would give presentation a 4 because it's nothing crazy. It's the same presentation I have. I would give flavor a 4 as well. And for texture, I think I would give that a 4 as well.
Like Frederick said, they're both the exact same presentation. The chicken looks very similar in general. So presentation 4, texture 4, and then taste. He likes more spicy. I like a bit more sweet. So I'll give it a 4.5.
Okay, time for my sexy fried chicken. I seasoned my chicken with my special blend, made up of salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Then soaked it in buttermilk and covered it with saran wrap and let that sit for at least 1 hour. And for my coating, I added some all-purpose flour, cornstarch for some extra crispiness, and the remainder of my spice blend and gave that a good mix. After 1 hour, I took my chicken and coated it in the seasoned flour. Make sure that all the sides are coated properly and then straight into the fryer. Once done, I hit it again with cayenne pepper for some spice and color, and oh man, look at this crispy, golden, sexy buttermilk fried chicken. Wow. So I think mine tastes more like your traditional buttermilk fried chicken.
It's good. I like the spiciness of it.
I really taste the cayenne pepper on mine. It's crispy. You're getting a little bit of that saltiness, but it's not like over salty. It's just right.
I personally think the breading is a little salty. Like I would have preferred a bit more of that flavor in the chicken. Like the breading has more of the flavor. I like the cayenne pepper though on it.
I would say mine is closer to what like you would get at like a Popeyes or like any like standard fried chicken joint. I'm gonna give my presentation a 4 because it's the same presentation Peggy had, so I can't cheat over there. I'm gonna give crispiness a 4 as well because I think mine was just as crispy as hers was. And the only place that I'm gonna give mine an edge over Peggy's is the flavor because it's just classic, and I'm gonna give that a 4.5.
Texture, I'll give a 4. Like it had a really good crunch. I'm sure you heard it. I'm trying to be objective. I'll give the taste a 4. They're both the exact same presentation. The chicken looks very similar in general, so I think they both get 4 there. Okay, so after some... So I don't know, it's hard to not be biased because we both made our chicken the way we prefer to make our chicken.
Okay.
So we need another judge.
I really like yours.
Yeah.
But when I taste the sweet, then it throws me off.
Really?
The only sweet fried chicken that I approve of is Asian fried chicken.
That's sort of what this was imitating.
Except I know it's not Asian. I know this is...
I'm not Asian? Like, what do you mean you know it's not Asian?
Uncle Roger, where you at? There's no MSG.
Hiya.
Yeah, neither of us, we said we weren't going to use MSG.
Her chicken on the inside, it's better seasoned. But this feels very nostalgic. That's the point I'm trying to make. But I guess it's a tie.
We both prefer our own chicken, so what do we do? So please let us know in the comments what foods we should be making next. Also, let us know which one you think looks better. If you're against having a bit of sweetness in your fried chicken. And what's more important, flavor in the chicken and on the skin, or just the chicken. Let us know your comments. And yeah, bye.